Good morning. It is Tuesday morning of week 3, and I just wanted to talk about how your week's going. I did just add this question and answers link. I did have had a few people ask me questions via email, and I've decided I'm going to start posting my videos here to them. That way you have a repository of where you can go look and see if I've done one, and if not, please ask me, and when I post a video, I will post it here. So this week we're covering these measures of center and spread. I did have a question about Chebyshev's theorem. Remember that equation is 1 minus 1 over k squared equals whatever percent you're looking for, and then you can solve for k. And then we're using Excel again. Excel will find mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and it will create these box plots. So I hope you're having a good week. Keep the questions coming.